Before pa man that they were Michelin recognized, go-to spot na talaga namin ito whenever we're in Makati kasi wala talagang tapon at ang sasarap talaga ng mga food nila here. Hey Jorelskis! We are back again and again at Sarsa for that authentic Filipino Ilonggo cuisine by Chef JP Anglo. They were recently awarded with Michelin Babe Gourmand and I can really attest sobrang consistent, sulit at quality talaga yung food nila here. Actually, meron na nga kaming laging go-to order eh. Isa na dito yung pansit molo nila. Kakaiba talaga yung soup nila eh. Savory, malasa, and it's really comforting ha. Even the molo itself, meaty with that umami taste. Tapos usually pinapartner namin tong pansit molo with their crab tortang talong. It's served with their homemade chili banana ketchup, in which smoky yung eggplant omelette with added crunch plus meron pang crab meat. For sure mapapa-extra rice ka talaga with this chicken isaw. Sayang hindi lang available yung isol, but this will do for now. And of course, don't forget the pecho na ang sarap din naman ng mga timpla ng mga inasal nila here. And by the way, they also have an happy hour where you can get buy one take one of their signature cocktails. Where in the usual cocktails, they made it with a Filipino twist. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kapag nasa Makati ka, Sarsa might be on top of your list. Cheers!